Which act initially facilitated linguistic reorganization of Indian states? States Reorganization Act, 1956. Nehru-Liaquat Pact, Government of India Act, 1935. Indian Independence Act, 1947. States Reorganization Act, 1956. The States Reorganization Act of 1956 is the correct answer because its primary purpose was to redraw the boundaries of Indian states based on linguistic lines. This act led to the creation of states that largely corresponded to major linguistic regions, addressing demands for greater cultural and administrative autonomy based on language. It consolidated many existing Part A, B, C and D states and territories and established new states and union territories, laying the groundwork for the linguistic map of India that we largely see today. The Nehru-Liaquat Pact was an agreement between India and Pakistan concerning the treatment of minorities after partition, not the reorganization of states. The Government of India Act, 1935, was a pre-independence act that established a framework for governance under British rule, and while it did define provinces, it didn't relate to post-independence linguistic reorganization. The Indian Independence Act, 1947, partitioned India and created Pakistan, but it did not deal with internal state reorganization within India.